Neely.
Oh my gosh, Neely!
Put her down, Pencil.
Oh my gosh, loser!
Oh my gosh, look at me, please! Look at me, please! Loser!
No, Pencil. Apologize to Neely.
Sorry, Neely.
Loser is such a great guy.
I agree.
Loser, say hi to me.
How are you doing, Tree?
Loser, do you want to join our team? I got all my pals along.
How could I refuse?
Why don't we just all be on
On the same team.
Loser! Loser! Loser!
There's enough of me to go around.
Let's be called the Losers.
Oh, you didn't have to.